Hey everyone! Today we're checking out the brand new TCL K32 5G, an affordable 5G smartphone now available at Metro by T-Mobile. It's normally $119.99, but right now you can get it free with port-in on select plans. Let's dive in, pricing and promotion details. The TCL K32 5G has a full retail price of $119.99, but Metro's got a killer deal. It's free when you port in your number and activate on a Metro Flex Unlimited Plus, Metro Flex Unlimited, or Starter Plan. What you get? You're getting a massive 6.75-inch HD Plus display with TCL's NXTVISION tech. Great for watching videos, scrolling social, and more. Performance and specs: Snapdragon 4S Gen 2, 4GB RAM, and 64GB storage. MicroSD support up to 2TB. It's solid for daily use, light gaming, and multitasking. Cameras and features: dual rear cameras, 13-megapixel main plus, 2-megapixel depth and macro, 5-megapixel front-facing camera, 5010 mAh battery, Android 15, face unlock, headphone, jack dual speakers design, midnight blue color, slim profile, comfortable in hand, durable build for everyday use, real-world use. Smooth performance for streaming and social apps. Long battery life. Good for casual users and first-time smartphone users. Pros and cons. Pros: free with port-in, big display, huge battery. Android 15, headphone jack, plus expandable storage. Cons: basic performance, only HD plus resolution, limited camera setup. Who's it for? Ideal for students, seniors, or anyone who wants 5G on a budget, especially if you're switching to Metro. Final thoughts: at $119.99 full price or free with port-in, the TCL K32 5G is a fantastic entry-level 5G phone with long battery life, Android 15, and all the essentials. Let us know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.